Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal, and I just wanted to show here at the top of Sources Boulevard how they finally finished the viaduct over this top part of the street. Many people don't realize that Sources Boulevard continues all the way to the top and then crosses the old CN tracks. But this is the second crossing of Sources. So the first crossing is over by the 40. And that's near Hymas, and then this is here at Pavillion Street in Pierrefonds. So this part used to be a level crossing with Sources, and Sources ends right up there with another street called Riverdale. And there's a lot of action going on here, so I'll see if I can get a little bit closer. But kind of from here, you can see the whole thing, this behemoth of a gantry next to like a regular house. It gets rather close to the residential area here, but not too much of a big deal because it's all backyards. This used to be, of course, the CN right away, so anyone living here should be no problem because you're used to trains. Although the frequency might be a problem. Anyway, so they just finished this. Yesterday, I came here, I was going to film, and they had not finished this section over the street. Today, they must be working at night because today it's actually completed. They put the entire girder together from the sections they had. And as you can see there, the gantry is actually moving forward. I'll probably show it later on, but that's the last section of viaduct, because after that there's a ramp that goes down and it'll be at almost near the level of the earth. Maybe it'll be a lower kind of fill. But this section goes from here all the way through Roxborough, all the way to, and then I think it ends there, and then there's a ramp down, and then it picks up again at Sunnybrook, and then at Sunnybrook, of course, the infrastructure crosses Alexander Street in Pierrefonds, and then again it'll drop back down and go through Sadegay district. So in the second video, what I'll do is I'll walk around to the other side and show the ramp and the work that's being done. And maybe I'll walk along here just to give you a sight of how big this gantry is compared to the housing. I'll walk between the houses here. You'll see that we're in the yard. This is Pavillion Street. So I just walk down here. Another nice residential area. And you can see a bit, but it'll be better, more evident down here. Look at that. Here it just gives you a good idea of the size of how big this machine is. These houses are 2 stories. This thing is probably 3 stories tall. So I will go on the other side, give you a better view. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. And I'll be giving more REM updates as I see fit, as I see some more progress happening. But this is actually a pretty big milestone because crossing this area here at Sources is the last major section of viaduct on the island of Montreal. There will be no other parts because as soon as it goes to the train bridge, the new bridges are crossed already. They have built those, and I've showed them in previous videos. And there will be no more need for REM infrastructure like this, the viaduct. The Rest of it will be on embankments, which I'm going to show in the next video. To me, it's quite impressive. And they work pretty fast because, like I said, yesterday the section over the street wasn't even completed, and today it is. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.